Friends, mobile data feels completely ordinary until you land in another country and realize your phone is no longer ready for the tasks you usually handle without thinking. Even something as simple as checking a route can suddenly depend on finding a connection first. My name is Daniel, and today we're checking out Holafly, an eSIM service available in more than 200 destinations. I'll show you how to buy and install it, test it during a real trip, and later we'll look at one feature that only became useful after I thought my original package had already ended. A huge thanks to Holafly for sponsoring today's video. And guys, before we get started, just a quick reminder, check the description for helpful links and discounts you won't want to miss. Now let's get started. Guys, Holafly is a digital eSIM service designed mainly for international travel. Instead of wasting time to purchase a physical SIM card after arriving or paying expensive roaming fees to your local provider, you choose a destination online and install the eSIM on a compatible phone. You can complete the installation before leaving home while you still have a reliable internet connection. The package then activates when the eSIM connects to a supported network at your destination. Friends, one of the main advantages is that Holafly offers unlimited data in more than 200 destinations. You do not need to estimate how many gigabytes the trip might require or keep checking the remaining allowance while using your phone. That makes everyday travel tasks feel more natural, especially when navigation, translation, or uploads are running throughout the day. Mates, the service also has a mobile app where you can access your purchases and follow the installation process. Don't forget to use my code from the description for a discount at checkout, or use my link that is available on the description box. Support is available around the clock, which is useful when you are adjusting phone settings in another country. Now let's go through the full process, starting in the browser. Guys, before buying anything, I first want to see what information Holafly gives me on its website. Right on the homepage, there's a search box asking where you're traveling. From here I can choose either a specific country or a regional option for a journey that covers several destinations. Scrolling a little further, the website also explains what an eSIM is and how the whole process works. If you're trying it for the first time, this is actually a good place to start, because everything is explained step by step instead of assuming you already know how digital SIM cards work. Friends, I can also see a short overview of the setup process. Holafly breaks everything down into 3 simple steps, from buying the eSIM to activating it once you arrive. Right below that, there's also a frequently asked questions section, where you can quickly open answers without leaving the page. If I want more details, I can open the What is an eSIM section. Here, Holafly explains how a digital eSIM differs from a traditional physical SIM card, how the activation process works, and what the main advantages are when you are traveling internationally. And if you have any doubts about the process, you can even contact their 24/7 customer support team with real people through a chat to help you out. There's also a Buy eSIM button that takes me straight into the purchase flow. Mates, all destinations are grouped under a dedicated section. For this demo, I'll choose the United States, but the process is the same for any supported country. The destination page gives me a quick overview of the available package before I buy anything. I can choose how long I will be staying, select how many people need an eSIM, and immediately see the final price update based on those options. Further down the page, Holafly also lists pricing examples for different durations, making it easy to compare a short stay with a longer journey before deciding which option fits best. Okay, as you can see, I've already purchased my Europe eSIM, so now let's switch over to the mobile app. After signing in with the same email address I used during checkout, my purchase immediately appears inside the Purchases section. From here I simply tap Install, and the automatic setup begins. Instead of entering activation details manually, it walks me through each step on the phone. The exact screens will vary depending on your device, but the overall process stays almost identical. I choose the new mobile plan, give it a label so it's easy to recognize later, and finish the setup directly from my phone settings. So once everything is installed, and as soon as my plane lands in a new country, I switch my mobile data over to the Holafly line and leave the network selection on automatic. From this point, the phone connects to a supported local network by itself, using 5G whenever it's available. Now it's time for the real test. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. I open Google Maps and search for a route in a city I'm visiting. The directions load almost immediately, and navigation starts without any issues. So now I'm navigating, translating text, and uploading content simultaneously. Friends, what stood out to me wasn't just the connection speed. After the first few minutes, I honestly stopped thinking about the internet altogether. I wasn't checking how much data I had left, or wondering whether another upload would use too much of my allowance. I simply used my phone the same way I normally would during the day. Before wrapping up, it's worth taking another quick look around the app. Besides the purchases section, you can also access Hola coins. As you continue using Holafly, you collect points that increase your account level. Those points can later be redeemed for discounts, and depending on your level, you may also unlock additional travel benefits. Overall, both the website and the mobile app feel easy to navigate. The website is where you compare destinations and purchase the eSIM, while the mobile version handles installation and account management. Guys, one of the biggest reasons people choose Holafly is the unlimited data included with its destination plans. Instead of trying to predict how much data you'll need before traveling, you can simply use your phone naturally throughout the trip. That becomes especially useful when your phone becomes an essential part of navigating and managing the entire trip. Another feature that stood out during my testing was something called Always On. Interestingly, I didn't even plan to test it. Toward the end of my trip, I decided to extend my stay for a couple of extra days. My original plan was almost over, but I still needed internet to check directions, message people, and book transportation. Even though the original data package had ended, a backup connection was still available when I needed it most. I could handle the essentials without stopping to search for Wi-Fi or buying another plan immediately. Friends, only afterward did I open my account to find out what had happened. That's when I discovered Always On. It's a backup benefit included in all of Holafly's eSIMs that provides 1 GB of global mobile data every month at no additional cost. The idea isn't to replace your original unlimited plan. Instead, it's there for unexpected situations when your travel schedule changes or the original package has already expired. You can check its status directly inside the Holafly app. It is activated automatically at the moment you install your eSIM, and it even works after your main package is no longer active, as long as you keep the original eSIM installed on your phone. It's designed as a backup connection rather than another travel package, so it's enough for essential tasks like opening maps, sending messages, or confirming a booking. Mates, there's also a referral program, so both you and your friends can benefit when someone signs up through your invitation. Depending on your level, the app may also unlock additional travel perks, making it a nice bonus for people who travel regularly. Overall, these extras don't replace the core experience, but they add a bit more value beyond simply buying mobile data for your next trip. Friends, after using Holafly throughout the trip, the biggest advantage was how little attention the connection required once everything was set up. The purchase and installation were straightforward, and after arriving, I could use my phone normally without constantly thinking about remaining gigabytes. Guys, Holafly also includes a few useful extras. Always On provides backup data when plans change, while Hola coins can help returning users save on future purchases. Overall, Holafly is worth considering if you travel internationally and want a simple alternative to physical SIM cards. If you'd like to try it yourself, use my code for a discount, and you'll find my link in the description below. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.